What's going on, everyone? Levi here. We've got an awesome cherry log we're gonna mill. Check it out. About 8.5 inches long. On this side we have about 20-inch diameter. This side is about 17-inch diameter. I've got the ladder on. That's what I'm going to use for the first cut, using a Steel MS 881 Gramberg MK4 Alaskan mill, 36-inch steel bar, Gramberg gripping chain. This combo is such an amazing setup for chainsaw milling. Cuts so fast. I've got the ladder on, like I said. I've got it shimmed up. It's really, I'm trying to move it right now. I don't know if you can see that. The ladder's not going anywhere. I used some plastic felling wedges to shim it up. Should turn out to be a really good first cut. As long as the first cut is perfect or very close to perfect, we're just gonna start slabbing at 2.5 inches thick. Guys, we got the log milled, 5 slabs, 2.5 inches thick. There they are. Really happy with how they turned out. I think these are going to be excellent sofa tables, river tables, dining room tables, so many things. And we've got a deer friend. These deer are not shy. It's legal to hunt out here where I live, but I just don't shoot does and fawns out here because they're so tame. Even during the fall, I'm within 20 yards. I could easily get within 20 yards. And to me, that's not hunting. A lot of times I'll have fawns that close to me. It's just really fun to see them tromp through the pond. She's pretty much gone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stick with me. I've got a lot of great... Oh, there's fawn right there. That is awesome. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video.